Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of the Swift Elegance Grande 835 2020 model. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. The wonderful carbon fibre front locker box that you see there. The beautiful Elegance logo on the front being the top of the range Swift caravan, benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. The Elegance range also benefiting from the completely woodless construction method and thereby offering a 25-year water ingress warranty with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. You've got that beautiful striking logo going all the way down the decals on the side there, an exterior barbecue point, side access hatch to underneath the front couches, and also 230-volt socket. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing that you get a feeling of is a fantastic feeling of space. An extremely well built and high quality 8-foot wide twin axle caravan. Nice large kitchen work surface with stainless steel sink. Worktop extension located there with easy usable height microwave. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Omnivent in the kitchen area also being a further benefit with this beautiful 2-tone wood locker effect throughout the caravan. Nice large panoramic sunroof at the front and a generous sized hecky light letting a huge amount of light into the caravan. High quality of finish and well chosen fabric scheme in the 2020 Elegance range really offsets against those beautiful curtains. You've also got a nice large front chest area, short pull out table. You've got a aux point there, USB points and 240-volt socket, and also your PIR sensor for the alarm located there. That wonderful 2-tone effect again going throughout, and then positioned above the habitation door you've got the Swift Command with built-in ability to control your caravan at a distance with a mobile app and also a built-in tracker. Benefiting as well from the Alder wet central heating system on this particular model. Television point located here by the habitation door for easy viewing from the lounge area with storage underneath and above. Nice large chest freezer and also tall fridge with further storage above. High quality of finish on the central door as we're going to step through now to that central bathroom area. Alder heater located in the central bathroom next to the toilet. A generous sized sink by an illuminated washroom mirror with storage underneath and also vanity mirror. Storage above the Thetford toilet and then a very generous sized central shower cubicle with that wonderful curved shower door. Storage. So plenty of storage located in this caravan here. And then as we get through to a very, very large rear transverse island bed. Second television point located on the wall there with wardrobe in both corners. So plenty of storage again and wardrobe either side of the bed with that 2-tone locker effect again going throughout. Another very generous sized hecky light in the bedroom area, and this is now in the full down position and an easy move around the end of the bed to get to either side of the bed with USB ports and also a 240-volt socket there. Other key features of the Elegance range, so an onboard water tank, coming with 2 Alco wheel locks and also the benefit of a reversing camera coming with the caravan sitting in the front of the car with also a built-in sat-nav. So that gives you a good feel for what the Elegance Grande 835 2020 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please contact our sales team on the number I mentioned earlier. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.